All right, we got the cups mounted on the turnbuckles, and now we're going to mount them to the rear. And we're gonna use a little bit of thread lock here. The ball studs in the rear, looks like they use a, let's see, 3 millimeters of spacer. And looks like those go in, there's 3 mounting options on the roll center holder, and they go in the forward-most hole. I don't know if you can see right here. There are 3 options, and they go in the forward-most hole. So I'm gonna put those right in there. Sometimes people will mount the ball stud on the turnbuckle first. I find that gets to be a little fiddly trying to make it work. So I just put the ball studs on the car first and then just snap the turnbuckle on. These are the ball studs with 8 millimeter thread. Oops. And the ones on the hub use a 2 millimeter spacer. We'll throw that on there right now. Crank that down. Crank that down. And then we'll see if we can snap these on. We'll get the drive shaft in there. There we go. And see if we can get this one on without too much drama. There we go. Great. Let's do the other side real fast. So again, 3 millimeters on the inside. A little bit of thread lock on there. Two millimeter spacer for the hub. And we'll snap these on. It does require a fair amount of force. There we go. And the outside. There we go. Good. I got the black titanium turnbuckles. I was looking for kind of a stealthy look, and I gotta say, I like the looks of that. Looks good. I'm sure they're no substantially stronger than the steel ones that X-Ray includes, and I've run their stock turnbuckles on other kits before and had no issue. But I do like that they increased the size on the 25 to the 3.5 millimeter, so you don't have to drill out the ball cups when you're using aftermarket titanium. Yeah, pretty happy with that.